So, hi, how are you doing today?
Good.
So basically, this is our session 3 or session 4?
I think 4.
4,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So far you had only 3 sessions, right? And you're gonna get your 4th adjustment today.
Today.
So what was the reason why you came here? What were your symptoms?
So I couldn't bend all the way. I couldn't go, all the way down, and I couldn't lift, pretty much, and it was hurting so bad. So.
Okay.
And
that happened after
the baby.
After giving a birth about 3 months ago. Your symptoms were getting
3 months.
progressively worse.
Yeah.
And your pain was shooting where all the way down to your toes?
All the way
right?
to my legs.
Okay.
It actually started on this side,
Okay.
where I initially went to the doctor, and they said, it's nothing, it's just pregnancy related.
And they gave you a bunch of drugs, right?
I did. Then I went back, and they said, you have sciatica. So here I am.
Okay. So this is after 3 sessions. What's the percentage of improvement that you would say?
About, I would say 60. 60, 65.
Okay, and
good.
you never had care before, right?
No, first time.
First time ever.
I'm definitely coming back.
Okay, that's good. So what I'm gonna do right now, we're gonna just continue. I'm just gonna adjust your neck, mid back, and I'm gonna check your back again just to make sure I'm on the right track.
Okay.
And then you're gonna see Gail for massage. Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay, so let's lean back. Okay. That's right. Okay, bend forward, please. Okay, all right. Stand up. Face the window. March in place. Okay, stop. Okay, go ahead and lie on your stomach face down, please. Put your hands down. Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay. A lot more fluid movement than you had originally. Okay. Go on your side, face me, please. Your hand. Relax your shoulder. So that was your side joint, sacroiliac joint. Now I'm going to adjust your lumbar spine, okay?
Okay.
Right side. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Okay, good. All right. Stand on your feet. How's it feel?
Good.
Good? Okay. Awesome. So you're gonna see Gail as soon as she's done with this patient. You're next, okay?
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks.